Day number 1, we're going to clean this piece, add some mold, and get ready for painting. To add something extra to this dresser, I decided to use this beautiful decor poly mold that is called Elaborate Finery. And my dresser is curvy, so being bendable is going to help me big time. So let's glue this on, clamp it, and we will be back tomorrow for some more fun stuff. Day number 2. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make a We're going to mix a sugar color with some texture additive, paint texture additive. There's so many on the market. You can use whichever you want, and that is going to make my paint very thick, so I can have lots of texture on this piece, and that is going to hide all the imperfections. So for that, I am going to pour some azúcar in my bowl, and I'm just going to go a lot because I want full coverage. And now I'm going to add some additive. So here you can play as much as you want with the texture additive. You can keep adding. It all depends how much texture do you want. The more texture additive you add, the more texture you're going to get. And we are going to tap. Day number 3, we're going to repeat exactly the same thing, add another coat of white because I want solid coverage. To speed things up, I'm just grabbing my sea sponge, and I am just going to go over for the second coat. It's going to go faster, easier, so let's just do that instead of dabbing. I've dabbed a lot yesterday, so let's just go with the sponge. My base color is completely dry, and now I can layer and let the magic happen. So for that, I'm going to use South Beach color, and that is going to be the center of attention on this piece. That is going to be a main color, and that color is going to make this piece come alive. We're going to grab some paint. And right here, I'm going to unload my paint because I want even layer, and I'm kind of more going to dry brush it than paint, so you will see. So I'm just going back and forth, and now I'm going lightly around the edges. Because I want to keep that white behind showing. This beautiful color, South Beach, is a perfect color if you want to bring calmness to your home, to your bedroom or the dining room, or pretty much any part of your house can look beautiful. It was named because of my husband, who is a big part of Kacha Furniture. He was born and raised in Miami, and he spent so many days as a kid going to South Beach with his mom and his family. And for that, we wanted to name one color South Beach. And I really, really like it. It's so calming. Usually this technique I do section by section, I go drawer by drawer, but I just got carried away, and I'm just keep on going, dry brushing the whole dresser, and I'm enjoying my time. And what can I say? We're going to add another layer now, and that is Siva Gray. I want to age this piece now, and I'm going to do that by adding a little bit of Siva Gray here and there, but I'm not going to dry brush it. I'm actually going to make my brush wet and add a little bit of Siva Gray and just spread it around the corners, the edges, to make look like it aged by itself. So first thing I'm going to do is make my brush wet. And then you want to get rid of extra water. And now we're going to grab a little bit of Siva Gray, just a little bit. And now I'm going to get rid of some on my towel, because I want just a little bit. And now we're going to start adding. This is such an easy way to age your pieces. If you're afraid to use colored wax, dark wax or black. And now I feel like I need a little bit of more gray. So you're basically just going back and forth until you find that right shade. It's just important to remember when you're doing this kind of layering with Kacha Furniture paint, it's very important to let each layer dry completely, because Kacha Furniture paint blends beautifully. So if your first layer is wet, it's just going to blend. So make sure each layer is dry before you start doing a second layer. Day number 4, we are going to play with silvers. Something that I haven't done in a really long time on my channel, and for that I will be using my silver transfer with Resawet Prima called Silver Bird. I know that so many people on our channel love silver, and I always use gold. So today is the day. After a long time, we're going with something silver. I love everything about it, and I'm very happy. I got excited because I really haven't done a silver piece in a long time. So I love how this is looking, but I still want to put some gold on it, but I'll stay away from it. So, see. Day number 5, we are here to protect this piece, add some more decor wax, put the hardware on, and we will be wrapping it up. I decided to use Auret metal tools that are from my line with Resawet Prima.